So hey people, and here I have Tanmay Sanap on board, and my question to you, Sanmay, is first of all, tell us what do you do and how it is helping the people.
Okay, thank you, Vardan, for inviting me to your show. And people, I am a startup growth coach, and I help startups and businesses that are at initial stage. I help them grow digitally. Why startups and business people? Because these people are new to this digital world, and this digital world is very confusing to these people. They do not understand whether to start with Facebook ads, whether to start with YouTube or Instagram or Twitter. This is very large field. Digital marketing is very wide, and people get confused about, they don't understand what to do, paid ads, organic ads, what to do. So that's why I choose, to help these young and passionate entrepreneurs who just have started their business and just have started their startups. It can be products, it can be services, whatever it is. But in the initial state, you must have some guide to, set your platform, set your business in this digital world. And this is how I help people to set their digital assets on this in this online world. So I'm a startup growth coach, and in that startup growth coach, I help people with video marketing, because video marketing is my specialty. So this is how I help people and guide them, and that's why I have created a course related video marketing as well. It's in the level 1, level 2, so it's in progress, and I will launch it very soon. So that's how I help people.
Awesome, great work you are doing, and I feel as myself also that newbies who are going to have a startup, why most of the people fail is because of the lack of guidance. Yes, right. And today it's the generation and age that we are going through. It's all about young entrepreneurs coming up. So that's why what you are doing is amazing service to the society. So all the best for that. So my second question to you is how your audience are being connected to you. Like, how do you keep them in your community and stay connected with them? What keeps them connected with you?
Okay, that's a great question again. So, my all audience are youngster, as we were talking about youngsters only. So the youngsters are present on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So that's why I'm highly active on these platforms. I have my YouTube channel as well. I have my Instagram account and Facebook pages as well. And I'm continuously putting content. You can say reels, long form content, short form content, posts, carousels, whatever the type of content, every single type of content I am creating on daily basis, and educating my audience about what is digital world, what is online world. If you just check out my Instagram, there are so many reels I have created about educating people, awareness about this digital world, and people find that valuable, then they just DM me or reach out to me, and then I guide them, on a separate Zoom meeting or whatever you can say. So this is how I am doing right now. But what is the struggle? What is the challenge right now? Because organically, it's very hard for me to reach to the ideal targets. They are so, the internet is so wide, and I'm not able to, reach out to those people organically. So that's why my next plan is to run Facebook ads, because paid advertising is the only and is the best way to reach out to your targeted audience. And, that's what I'm going to start in after, I complete my building, video marketing course. I will start running paid ads, and that's how I will reach more and more targeted audience. And that's the simple strategy.
Awesome, great. And yes, everyone in the online organic space, they are facing the same problem. And I think that in February month itself, Instagram has stopped its organic growth. So many, viral contents are also, like news reports are also coming in the Instagram updates, that it has seized the organic reach. Yes, because of so my third question to you is what's your message for business owners in 2022?
Okay, that's the main question about business. What should business people do in this online world? Okay, so in 2022, again, as I said, Facebook ads is the best part. I am actually telling more and more my people, more and more my friends to start, running Facebook ads. Because if you do not run Facebook ads in 2022 right now, then you will not, it's very, very hard to grow in this digital world. Without paid ads, you cannot think of growing. Without paid ads, you cannot think of reaching out to the large audience present on this online platform. So my first and basic thing I am telling people, just start running Facebook ads. You can have someone with Facebook ad expertise, or you can actually learn by yourself. There are so many courses available. Do this or do that, whatever things, but you have to start running Facebook ads. There's a I have a client. I'm doing the marketing for the villa, so we were running ads for the Valentine's Day. So in 3 days we booked 78,000 rupees of we generated revenue of 78,000 rupees, and we spent only 700 rupees on that advertising. And this is how 100 times returns Facebook ads gave us. So Facebook ads very, very, very important in this 2022. Just go with the flow and just start running Facebook ads. You'll definitely close so many, you'll sell so many products. You will have so many service owners. You will, plenty of leads are available. Just reach out to them. That's what I want to tell these business owners.
Great. And yes, there is a lot of potential in running ads, because see, the thing is that you may have all the skills, you may have all the abilities to serve those people who are in need, but the thing is that you are not able to reach out to them. That's paid ads is the main, the way which can help you in this. Yeah. So I would have this point to be noted with all to all of our audience who are watching this, that if you are fed up of doing organic engagement, just go for, don't be cheap on your journey to greatness. Yes. Just go for paid ads, and it will show you 10x 100x results. Yes. Exactly. So just, I would say, don't be cheap on your journey to greatness. Just invest in your business, and it will show you the return. And obviously what you sow is what you reap. So if you don't invest and you try to reach in free for nothing, you get for free, right? So the simple thing is this. So all right, Tanmay, I have my next question to you. That is, I would like to know about the strategy, the one strategy that you always stick to while it's about doing your online marketing or online business.
Okay. So actually there are so many strategies, but what strategy I can share right now is about YouTube. So let's say you are new in the business, you are new in this online world, you have your products, let's say product or service. What you can do, what I suggest to newbies as well, that you should start your own YouTube channel, because 50% of the power in this digital market is YouTube. YouTube is very, very important, and it's very scalable. The problem with the organic reach is you'll not face the problem with organic reach in YouTube if you use YouTube wisely, if you use it correctly. YouTube, YouTube is not like Instagram, right? You said that feature that decrease the growth of organic reach on Instagram. That problem you will not face on YouTube. So what you can do, if you're a newbie, if you have product or services, you can actually create so many videos, let's say 30 to 40 videos explaining about your product or services, and you have to post them regularly on YouTube. So YouTube channel has let's say 30, 40, 50 videos explaining deeply about your product or services. And the next step you have to do is very simple, that invest 5 to 10,000 rupees in YouTube, and just push your subscribers to 1,000 to 2,000 subscribers. Once you have 50 videos explaining deeply about your product or services, 2,000 subscribers, then you have all set. You have your foundation set. This is the basic strategy you have to use if you are new on this online world. And this is the same way I am doing, and I'm doing my I'm getting 3 to 4 inquiries every single week from YouTube, about digital marketing, about Facebook ads, about whatever videos I create. I get so many inquiries about that. So once YouTube is set and once your channel start growing, you don't need to invest more money. 5 to 10,000 initially. You have to reach number 1,000, 2,000 subscribers, and once you got their real subscribers, they will automatically start watching your videos, and you have to just maintain the consistency about creating videos, 2 videos, 3 videos weekly, and you're all set. This is the basic strategy you should do, I think. Yeah, that's the best strategy. YouTube will push your business, and you'll start growing slowly. There is no worry about YouTube. But people need to just make videos consistently. That's the problem.
Yes, I also feel that if you're consistent on YouTube, it's a long form content creation area. So the people who, they get nurtured by seeing your video. So it's kind of 10 minutes, 20 minutes video. So it has a greater consistent impact on your audience. So this is what makes your audience, like convert into your subscribers and like your email subscribers and stuff like that. So thus I also prefer YouTube to like Instagram and all of those
Yes.
short yes. So reels are also amazing. They are doing amazing. But the thing is that in 6 seconds, 12 seconds, 15 seconds, we don't have that much greater
Trust level.
and deep impact. Yes.
Yes.
So
And
that's YouTube is amazing.
yes, another
Yeah.
thing is that people find people find you expert in that particular area. If you're
Yes.
talking about 50 videos, it's not a joke. Nobody can normal people, average people, they are not able to create videos like 50 videos, 100 videos on your YouTube channel. If you have that much videos on consistent basis, then people will automatically find you that you are an expert in that field, and they will automatically get more trust, and you'll be
Yes,
more trustworthy. So
absolutely.
that's the best.
Yes. So thank you for your greatest and important one strategy that I got. And yes, everyone who is watching this, I would recommend, if not you have, yet not started your YouTube channel, I would recommend start it by today itself.
Yes.
And start putting in videos by tomorrow. All right. And if it's possible, then today only you put. All right. And if you're somebody who is, kind of imperfect in making videos and all, practice a lot and put your one video in on YouTube. It's very much beneficial, and it's kind of a hybrid funnel that takes your customer from organic market from YouTube towards your paid clients. Yes. So yeah. And now my last question to you, but not the least, it's the most important one.
Okay.
I would like to know about one success principle that you have followed till this point.
Okay, that's okay. Success principle. Yeah, there are so many success principles I'm following. Like our mentor has taught us about setting up the goal. Plus, do not limit yourself. You should not limit your beliefs and all and all. But the one principle I am going to tell our viewers is that you should not run behind money. When I started my business, when I started my agency, my end goal was money. And when I started, when our end goal is money, somehow, tomorrow or, someday we have to fall. And when we fall, it's very hard to, bounce back. Your end goal should not be money. This is your end goal should be, customer satisfaction. Your end goal should be, helping others. Your end goal should be, you can say, other than money. But if your end goal is money, then you do not work that enthusiastically to your customer satisfaction, to delivering the results or whatever service or whatever product you are delivering. Your end goal is money. I used to trade in share market, and my end goal was money. I just want to earn 2,000. I just want to earn 10,000, and I lost everything what I had. So end goal should not be money. Just never. Every successful business, every big business you see, their end goal is never money. Their end goal is not money. They do not run behind money. If you want money, then just over deliver. Just focus on your work. That's how you will improve, and money will automatically come. That's what I want to say.
Yeah. Yes, it's absolutely correct, and it's absolutely a great principle to follow and to work through. Because see, money has always been a byproduct, and it will always be a byproduct. If you are serving to the marketplace, if you're solving their problems, then money is a byproduct of you helping people. That's all. So that's what I believe, and that's what all the successful people and like you and others who are trying to try their luck in the online space is following this principle. Until and unless they follow this principle, they won't be able to have an impact and influence others in the online space. That's the rule.
And yes. I have one example about this. As I'm telling, don't run behind money. What I used to do when I was, I have created a course, video marketing course level 1, and I used to sell that course, through Facebook groups. but my end goal was, I just want to sell this course. I just want to, someone will buy my package of course and I will be, yes, then successful. Yes. But this is not how things works. What happened one day, one of my friend, he guided me that, you're running behind money. Sales should, this is now how you sell people. You have to observe what problem they are facing. You have to solve the problem deeply, and whatever it takes, you have to just work on their problem to the depth, and after that you have to sell your product. So what I did, I used to take weekly webinars for 60 minutes, and I used to directly pitch the sales pitch. That was absolutely not working because people knew that he was, sales minded, and he was not able to,
Too salesy.
They can sense us. So what I did, there was a woman from America. So I gave her, 7 days, 30-minute daily consultancy, totally free. No money. I just wanted no money. I was just, I want to listen to her problems, and I gave her totally free consultancy for 7 days. And she was so happy that this man is giving me consultancy for free. And, I gave her so many tactics, and I gave her so many strategies. And after 7 days, I just told her that, this is my course. And within 2 minutes, she bought the course. Within 2 minutes, I just showed her that this is my model and it will help you. So this is how all things works. You have to always over deliver. You have to, solve the problem. So I solved her problem 100%, and I just offer her, this is a $20 this is a $20 product. And she was happy because I gave her value of $100, and $20 in return is nothing. So this is how you have to do all the things. That was the best example, and that was the best time, I understand this. This is how you say. Yeah.
Yes, you always over deliver, and this is the thing that
Yes.
Because people always sense our approach. Whether we are in a profit focused approach or we are in a mission focused approach, they are not fools, right? They
Exactly.
sense,
We are humans.
sense
Yes.
everything. Yes.
Exactly.
And even we in our workshops, we take 8 hours, 9 hours workshop, and even 3 days full, like 27 hours of content, and they get so much value. We over deliver. And then at the end, they are bound to, they are like, they have the sales is inevitable. They have no other like option other than entering into our community.
Yes.
Because they know. Yes, because they know what they will get inside. Yes, if the trailer is this, then the movie will be
exactly. They have, they have to show them that we are a value bomb. Just come inside our system and we will over deliver you. And if we can solve their problem, what people else want, they just want their problem to be solved, and we are helping them and charging only $20 or whatever, giving $100 value in return. So that's how you have to sell.
So great message and really awesome insights. We all have, everyone who is watching us have got from this. I hope that you have got a lot of insights from this conversation, and I enjoyed it a lot, and I hope you also. Yes.
Yes.
Great.
Yes. It was amazing session, and just best of luck with your show, and viewers, just all the experience, all the things we discussed about it, all things from experience. Just start taking action and you will be unstoppable. That's what I want to say.
Yes. Thank you, Tanmay, for showing up here and giving your valuable and precious time that will never return back to you. And and everyone who is watching, I'll, get the link to follow Tanmay and see his website and courses in the description box. So go through his, what he does and how he can help you. Go through that. And if you, really feel that it's kind of, it's solving your problem, then please get in touch with him and he'll surely help you. Yes. Yes, Tanmay. Yeah.
Yes.
Great.
Thank you for this, and thank you for inviting me. Good day.
Thank you.